Chapter 5, Finding a New Spring. This is a story that teaches us the lesson of how we can face problems. It is a story about a trader and his caravan. So let's read. Once upon a time, a trader was leading a caravan to another country to sell his goods. Along the way, the caravan came to the edge of a very hot desert. The trader asked about and found that nobody could cross the desert during the day. The sun heated up the fine sand until it was as hot as coal, and not even camels could walk on it. So, the trader hired a guide, one who could follow the stars. It was decided that he would lead the way across the desert at night. A few nights later, the caravan began on its dangerous journey across the desert. Now, this is a story about a trader who was leading a caravan. All his people were there with him, and they were going from one country to another, their own country to another country, to sell their things or their goods. So, as they went through the desert sand was very hot during the daytime, and it was said that no one could travel in the desert during the daytime because the sand became very hot in the sun. Even the camels couldn't walk on it. So they decided to hire a guide. A guide is someone from that place who knows the place very well and can take you from one place to another or tell you about that place. So they hired a guide who could follow the stars in the night and help them to cross the desert. And after a few nights, they decided to start their journey. The guide usually drove the first cart of the caravan. One night he saw from the stars that they were getting closer to the other side of the desert. As he was tired from the heat, he fell fast asleep in his cart. After some time, the camels lost their way and gradually turned around. So, the entire caravan ended up at the same place they had started from the previous night. In the morning, the traveler realized that they were back at the same spot where they had camped the day before. They lost heart and began to complain about their condition. They had exhausted all their food and water and had nowhere to go. They complained to the trader, "We can't do anything without water." Now, what happened? The guide is the one who drives the first cart so that the others can follow him of the caravan. So he was driving the first cart of the caravan, and one night, as he saw that the stars were directing them to the end or the other side of the desert, becoming very tired due to the heat, he fell asleep in the cart. Now the person to guide the cart or the caravan had fallen to sleep, the guide. So the camels, they lost their way, and slowly or gradually they turned around, and the entire caravan, the whole caravan, finally ended up or reached the same place from where they had started the previous night. In the morning, when the travelers realized that they had come back to the same place that they had left the previous night, they felt very angry and sad and disheartened, and they lost heart. They became sad, and They started to complain about what was happening, how it was, the condition was very bad. They were very tired and exhausted because of the heat of the sun in the desert. And they complained to the trader, their leader. They said, "We don't even have food, all our water, everything is finished. We can do nothing without water. What should we do?" Then what happened? Then the trader thought to himself, "If I lose courage now, my leadership has no meaning. If I begin to complain just like the others, everything will be lost. Since we have made it so far, I must find a solution to this problem." Suddenly, he saw a small clump of grass. He thought, without water, no plant could live in this desert. So, he called the most energetic fellow travelers and asked them to dig up the spot. They continued digging for some time and found a large rock. The men gave up digging at once, thinking they had hit a bed of rocks and that there was no water underneath. But the trader said, "No, my friends, if we give up now, our poor animals will die. We will also die from the heat. Please continue digging." He handed a heavy hammer to the young man standing near him and said, "Strike this rock with all your might." Now what happened? The trader, who was the leader of the caravan, he thought to himself that if he also lost courage and felt disheartened like all the other people of the group were, his leadership would have no value, no meaning. And if all begin to complain, then there will be no way of finding a solution to the problem. And the important thing was that they find a solution or an answer to the difficult situation that they were facing. And suddenly his eyes fell, or he saw a clump of grass, that is a small patch of grass in that desert around him, close to him. So he thought to himself that without water, no grass can grow in the desert, so there has to be some water somewhere in that place. So he called his most energetic and active fellow travelers, the travelers who were with him, and he asked them to dig the spot. They all dug for a long time and found a large rock there under the ground. Then they started to give up. They thought there is no use because there is only rocks under the ground. And they became disheartened again. But the trader insisted and told them that, "See friends, if we are going to lose heart and stop digging, all our animals will also die." So he gave a heavy hammer to the person who was standing next to him and told him to strike the rock with all his strength, all his might. Now let's see what happened in the end. The man lifted the hammer over his head and hit the rock as hard as he could. Everyone was surprised when the rock split in two and a mighty stream of water gushed out from under it. The people of the caravan were extremely happy. They drank from the stream, bathed, washed their animals, cooked their food, and rested. They thanked their leader for his perseverance and presence of mind. Soon, they safely made their way across the desert. So what happened? The man, he picked up the hammer, lifted the hammer and struck the rock with all his strength. And what happened? Everyone was surprised also there that the rock split into two pieces. It broke into two pieces. And a stream of water gushed out, flowed out suddenly from there. and everyone of the caravan, from the caravan, all the travelers were very, very, very happy to see so much of water there. They drank from the water, the stream that flowed out. They took a bath and washed their animals and cooked their food, and also rested for some time because they had enough water now. And also, they were very thankful for the leader, the trader, because of his perseverance, the thought of still doing something to solve the problem. He continued to solve that difficult problem. He thought how to get out of that problem. And also his presence of mind. What is presence of mind? The quality of thinking very calmly and clearly in difficult situations also. Even there is a difficult problem, you should be calm, you should be peaceful and think how to come out of that problem rather than getting panicked. That is not a solution. So children, what do you learn from this story? We should still be persevering and have presence of mind even if we have or go through a problem. We should be calm and think of a simple way or an easy way or any way to get out of the problem if we face some problem. It is no use to panic, but perseverance will only help.